Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're going to be having a look at an absolute classic bit of soul music, the wonderful, wonderful Stand By Me by Mr. Ben E. King. Okay, we're going to be doing a really easy singer-songwriter beginner's version of this song, so it shouldn't give you any problems, very straightforward. And also we had quite a few requests saying, can you go through the whole song, do a cover of the song at the end to play along to. So we're going to actually do a whole cover version of Stand By Me, very, very simple. And you can join me in the words if you can. You'll have to excuse me a bit because it's not in an ideal key for my voice, but we had a few requests for this. So it'll probably be very good training for your voice as well, whatever key you prefer to sing. If you just try and hit the notes as well as you can with a cover version of this, it'll be good practice for you. Okay, now like I said, we're going to be playing this in the exact Ben E. King key, which is actually in the key of A. So for a beginner's version, what we're going to need to do is take a capo and put the capo on the 2nd fret of your guitar. Okay, 2nd fret of the guitar, the capo. And like I always say in these videos, if you don't have a capo, just maybe try going through and learning the chords anyway, and just try playing the song in without a capo on. It will just be slightly lower, a slightly lower key than with the capo on, so it will still be effectively the same song, but we're trying to keep it to the original Ben E. King key, which is in A. So capo on the 2nd fret, and we'll start by first things first, going through the simple chords, which are just G, E minor, and then we've got a C, and we've got a D. Okay, so again, like I always say in these ones, if you already know the simple chords there, the running order will be coming up on the side, so you can see. If you want to just jump straight in and try playing the cover version of the song with me, then skip the video forward and have a nice little play along with that. But if you need to brush up on the 4 chords we're going to do, just join me now. Okay, so first of all, the G. We've just got our first finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Next finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Next finger goes right at the bottom on the 1st string in the 3rd fret. There's your G. And that's all the strings we want to hit. Okay, next up we want to do the E minor, where you've got one finger going on the 5th string, 2nd fret. The next finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret, right underneath that. Okay, then we want a C major, which is a bit of a stretch. But for that one, we've got our first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Next finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And the next finger goes on the 5th string in the 3rd fret. And for the C, we're trying not to hit the E at the top of the guitar, the bass E string, we're just trying to hit the 5 below. There's your C major. Last of all, the D. Okay, for that one we just want the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. We then want the 1st string in the 2nd fret, right at the bottom, and then we go to the 3rd fret and we try and hold down the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. And for the D, we're trying to avoid hitting the bass E and the A string, the 2 at the top there, it's just the bottom 4 strings. Okay, so yeah, like I always say in these videos, if you need a bit of brushing up on those chords, maybe pause the video, try practicing your G, your E minor, your C and your D. Okay, those are the only chords we need for this one. Okay, and what we'll do as well, if you try and work your way towards the to playing a proper cover version of this song, the lyrics will come up on the screen, the chords will come up on the screen as well, so you can try playing along with both of them and singing along. But first of all, we're just going to try playing without any singing, just those chords, G, E minor, C and D. And we're also going to try a very simple strumming pattern for them as well. So first of all with the G, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, E minor, C major, C, and D, back to G. Start again, so we go G, down, up, down, up, down, to E minor, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, C, down, down, up, D, down, up, D, down, up, down. Just one more time, so we got G, down, up, down, E minor, down, up, down, C, down, up, D, down, up, G, down, up. Yep, so if that's quite simple, just crack on. Yeah, practice that on your own if you need to. Okay, so once you get comfortable with the real simple strumming pattern, okay, we're going to try and do a complete cover version of the song. And we'll just slightly speed it up. And if we try a slightly better strumming pattern, okay, if you try and join me in this one, so we've got a down, down, up, down, up, E, down, up, down, up, down, up, G. Okay, let's try some singing. When the nights come, oh, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I won't be afraid. I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. Can you stand now? Stand by me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If the sky will look upon should tumble and fall, for the mountain should crumble to the sea. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I won't cry, I won't cry. Just as long as you stand by me. Darling, stand by me. Whoa, stand by me. Won't you stand now? Won't you stand by me? Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Whoa, stand by me. Won't you stand now? You stand by me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward like that one. I hope you're able to join in with that one, but rewind the video, practice over with the singing. If you're just doing guitar, just try and play along with the singing, just keep right on top of the chords there, okay? But practice that over and over. Classic bit of Ben E. King there, great soul music. Try it, practice it, play at your open mic sessions in the area you live in, and it'll sound great. All the best, and see you next time for more great tunes with Ben Golding. Thank you.